In today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge your cells without losing your data right here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on some data that you want to merge without losing your data, here's how you can do it. So normally when we try and merge some cells, for example, if I wanted to merge these two names right here, have them combined into one cell. If I click on merge here in the toolbar, it will merge the cells, but only preserve the top left or the leftmost value in that cell. If you want to merge anyway and see what it looks like, there we have it. Again, the value on the left side is the only value preserved with those merged cells. Let's undo that and try it with another method. So how do we merge our cells without losing our data? Well, we can actually do this with an extension called merge values. So if you go to your extensions right here, I've already added this add-on and here it is. We have merge values. So for you to add this add-on, just go to add-ons here at the top and get add-ons. Once you're in the Google Workspace Marketplace, you can just type in the word merge values right here in the search bar. There we go. And it will be the first extension right here, this green one. If you click on it to install, all you have to do would be to click on the blue button that will say install. It says uninstall in mine because I already have it installed. Once you click on that, it will ask you to review some permissions. You're just going to allow some. Then when you're done, just close it off. And once you're back on your spreadsheet, just go back to your extensions and you will see it right here. So before we start merging our values, we have to select the cells that we want to merge. So this is the part that I want to merge on my data. These are the first name and last name. So I want them combined in one cell, and the results, I want them to be on the left side. So to do that, I'm going to go back to extensions and start my merge values add-on. That will open on the right side panel. Here we have it. So again, make sure to select the cells that you want to merge, and here are the options. Basically, these are self-explanatory. How would you merge your selected values? You can have them in the selected row, the selected column, or into one cell. Our next option would be what to separate these values with. So we have our space, comma, line break, semicolon, and where to place the results. So you can either have it on the left cell or the right cell. So these are the options that I've selected. We have in the selected row, separated by space, and the results are going to be on the left cell. To make sure that I have all those names merged in one cell, what I'm going to select from the options would be to merge cells in each row. If I click on that, then click on merge at the bottom. This is what it's going to look like. And there you have it. Those are the results that I am hoping for because we have not just merged the cells, but also the values within those cells. So again, they're separated by a space and the results are in the left cell. Well, basically, that's the only cell left because again, those cells have also been merged together. And there you have it. And that's how you can merge your cells without losing data using this great add-on right here in Google Sheets. So you can definitely explore more on how you can merge your cells with this great add-on. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.